Hello everyone. As we all know that Baisakhi festival is coming on 13th of April. So here we are going to perform an activity based on our festival. We know that Baisakhi is a festival celebrated all over the India, especially by the Sikhs and Hindus of the northern part of India. But Baisakhi is also very important for farmers as it is a festival of harvest. So students, this is the material required for performing an art activity today. We need a Fevicol, 2 fluorescent sheets, a base sheet of any color, some toothpicks, a sketch pen, a pencil and a scale. First of all, we will draw the border on the 4 sides of the sheet using a scale and a pencil. Then we will write Baisakhi on the top of the sheet using a sketch pen. And on these 2 fluorescent sheets, we will draw a circle using any bangle. We will draw circles using any bangle of equal diameters. Now, these circles which have been cut from the fluorescent sheet will be pasted here on the sheet. Now this is the actual length of the toothpick and we have to cut it from the top like this, from the top. Okay everyone, now we will paste these on the sheet and we will arrange this in a manner that it will look like a men dancing. So in this way we can make a man using the toothpicks. Similarly here also first of all, we will place these toothpicks in this way. So, is it clear to everyone? Now, we will paste these toothpicks on the sheet using Fevicol. So, students, in this way, we can paste the toothpicks on the sheet like this. Similarly, so students, you can see that 2 men are dancing. Now we will paste grass on the bottom of the sheet. First of all, we will put some Fevicol here. And we will place grass like this. And we will paste grass over it like this. So I hope that it is clear to everyone. So students, in this way you can paste the grass on the sheet. Now the beautiful creative activity is ready. Thank you so much everyone.